Hey everyone, welcome to Maintenance Monday. Each week we'll share quick fixes and helpful tips to make apartment living a little bit easier for you. Tip number 1 is to clean your garbage disposal with white vinegar and a combination of baking soda. Pour the ingredients down the garbage disposal, wait for it to fizz up for a little, then flush it with warm water and turn on your garbage disposal switch to make sure everything gets flushed. Tip number 2 is if you're going to throw down whole foods down the garbage disposal, don't. Make sure everything is finely chopped up. Also, never throw pits or any type of seeds down the disposal as it could break and stop your machine. Tip number 3 is never pour olive oil or any type of grease down your garbage disposal. Once this solidifies, it can clog up the garbage disposal and cause a huge mess. Tip number 4 is to simply use your garbage disposal regularly. It's meant to be used and this can prevent rust. And finally, tip number 5 is learning how to reset your garbage disposal. Underneath your garbage disposal, typically there's a cylinder piece right here. Put your hand under it and try to feel for a small button. It could be red or it could be a black one. Once you press that, it will completely trip the circuit and you'll be able to reset the entire garbage disposal system. Thank you so much for watching this video and let us know in the comments if any of these tips helped you guys. See you in the next one.